Hello and welcome back. Here is another Dollar General 5 off of 25 for September the 10th. That's this Saturday, September the 10th at Dollar General. You're going to want to make sure you go clip all your digital coupons and clip the 5 off of 25 and clip all your coupons for these items. I do suggest that you go ahead and clip all the coupons on the app just in case you need them for a filler item. Even if you don't use a product, just clip all the coupons. Remember, I do realistic deals. Make sure you get what your household needs. Even if you don't follow my deals, hopefully this teaches you how to come up with some other breakdowns and your own breakdowns. But I'm real big on getting what your household and family needs. So this is going to be a small haul, but it's still a great out of pocket. The first item you want to pick up is one Bic Soleil 3-count razor for $5. And you guys, there is a $4 off coupon. Then you want to pick up one Arm & Hammer detergent. I believe it's the 114 ounce. They're $10 and there is a $2 off coupon. You're going to want to pick up 3 Colgate Max Fresh toothpaste. They are $2.95 a piece, so 3 of them times $2.95 will be $8.85 with a $5 off coupon. And you're going to want to also pick up 2 Palmolive dish soaps, 40 ounces, and they are $3 a piece, so 2 times $3 is $6. And you guys, there's a $3.50 off coupon. Your total is $29.85. So as you see, we hit that $25 mark. Then you're going to want to subtract your $14.50 in coupons, which brings your total from $29.85 down to $15.35. But then, you know, we're going to get down a little lower. So your 5 off of 25 is going to come off, and you guys will only be paying a total of $10.35 out of pocket plus tax. That's $10.35 out of pocket for all of these items right here. And you guys, you have some hygiene, some laundry, and some dish soap in this deal. I feel like this is a good deal for $10.35 plus tax. If we want to break these items down even the more, each item is only $147 per item. So just think that $10 bottle of laundry detergent, it's only going to come out to be $147 per item. I feel like $10.35 is a very good deal for these items. Go check out my other videos for Dollar General and Family Dollar, you guys. Happy couponing. And here you're going to see the coupons that you need to clip. The 5 off of 25, the $3.50 off of Palmolive, the $5 off of Colgate, the $2 off of Arm & Hammer, and the $4 off of the Bic.